Greetings, I am Radha Nizami from class 8B and today I am making a beverage. I am making hot chocolate. Hot chocolate is very nutritious for us. Drinking hot chocolate may help in our blood flow, increases our memory, and it contains cocoa powder which is rich in fiber and iron. So let's begin. First, we need some boiled milk. It depends how much hotter do you want it to be. I have made it hot according to me. And now I will add some cocoa powder. I need just only 2 spoons of cocoa powder. 1, 2. Now we will mix it properly. It does not need any sugar because it contains chocolate and chocolate is already too much sweet. But you can add it according to yourself. And now the hot chocolate is ready.
My name is Lalit. I am from 8C from Himalaya Public School. I am making watermelon juice. So let's start. We are going to make a watermelon juice. These are the ingredients. This is black salt, this is sugar powder, and this is jeera powder. This is watermelon and this is ice. Now take a chhalni and a bowl. Do it like this. Take a glass. Now half teaspoon of jeera powder, half teaspoon of salt according to your taste you can add, and 1 spoon of sugar powder. Add the juice. Add ice in it. Now add lemon on it like this. Decorate it with mint leaves. Health and tasty juice is ready.
Hello, my name is Dipanshi from class 8C. So today I am making a super cool drink for the summer. So let's begin. So here I have 2 mangoes, fresh cream, sugar, some nuts, milk and some water. So let's begin. So here I am transferring the mangoes in the jar. After it I am adding sugar. So here I am adding some water. After it we can open this jar cap. देखो. And we are adding. So we are adding some milk. So we can here we check our mango shake. So I am transferring in the glass. So here I am garnishing with fresh cream. Here we are garnishing with fresh cream. We are adding some nuts.
Hello everyone, I am Utkarsh Kalra from 8B. Today we are going to learn how to make best beverages that gives us lot of nutrition. Today we are going to learn how to make lassi. Today we are making two types of lassi, Kesar Pista lassi and strawberry lassi. For making a lassi, add 1 ball of curd in the big bowl. After that, add 3 tablespoons sugar as per your taste. Then take half bowl of water. Beat the curd with jhagna. Your lassi is ready and keep it aside. Now we will make Kesar Pista flavor for lassi. Take lukewarm milk, add 5-6 strings of kesar and mix it. Now add 7-8 pista in the milk. Now grind this mixture. You can see that kesar has left its color in the milk. Now we will use this mixture to make Kesar Pista lassi. Take 1 glass and add 2 spoons of lassi in the glass. Add 3 spoons of mixture in the glass. And mix it. Now again add the lassi in the glass. I have taken 3 spoons of lassi. You can take as per your requirement. Mix it again. Your Kesar Pista lassi is ready to drink. Now we will make strawberry lassi. For strawberry lassi also, firstly we will make normal lassi as we have made in Kesar Pista lassi. Take 1 glass and add 2 spoons of lassi in the glass. Add 2 spoons of strawberry puree in the glass and mix it. Now add normal lassi in the glass as per the requirement. And mix it again. You can add chia seeds to make lassi more healthy. Now I am adding mint for decoration. Now your healthy strawberry lassi is ready to drink. This is Kesar Pista lassi and this is strawberry lassi. These are good for health. These makes our bones strong. Thank you.